Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file, and they're using a plotter and making stickers, and they want to use this red hairline, I guess, for cutting. And just for your information, it's not a hairline, and I would think the plotter would need a hairline, so we're going to go okay, and now it's a hairline. But that's what they want, and they want to know if they have to do them one at a time or they could do this whole page. And for his, I duplicated a bunch of them to make a whole page worth. So, and they are individual, something hidden right there. They're individual boxes and sealed up. So what we could do is select all of them, and right here is your boundary tool. Now it's going to put a boundary around all of them, but it's going to be inside that line. And with this many of them, it took that long. And then go to Effects and Contour. And I'm going to contour to the outside in red. And now it put that all the way around it. I am going to change my nudge. Well, let's see how big this page is. It's 67 centimeters, so we'll make this 70 centimeters. And we'll grab our contour line and nudge it out of the way. I didn't hit 70. And nudge them out of the way, and there's our border line and our contour line. And I used rounded corners so it would go around the corners. Now, how do you separate them? It's pretty easy. It's a contour. So go up to Object and break the contour apart. And then grab inside, and the black ones are still kind of joined together, so we're going to move them out of the way. You need to double check, and I'm pretty sure it needs to be a hairline. And then they're all together, just nudge them back. And then you have a hairline around each box. Pretty cool, pretty fast. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.